Welcome to the Star Wars main theme tutorial. I'm going to play through this one time, then we'll talk about the details and the fingering and what we need to do and what we shouldn't do. Alright, let's take a listen to the piece. Okay, so there was the piece. The important part about this piece is keeping a nice clean tempo when you're playing. You don't want to go rush it. It's a march, so you don't need to be going. It's not supposed to be that way. Secondly, we have triplets in here and some chords that we're jumping around to. So I want to go through the right hand and what you should be doing when I do this. I'm going to explain a few of the fingerings, but you should slow the video down or at least listen to me and write in the fingerings as I'm speaking, because you need to have the right fingering to play this. So here's middle C. Put your second finger on middle D, second finger, and have your fingers ready on the chord. 1, 2, and 5 for that chord. Now watch. I'm going to go slow. Triplet, chord, jump, G chord. 1, 2, and 4 or 5 for the chord. 4, 3, jump. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3. Then 1, 2, and now we're repeating. So you should just rewrite this fingering that you already got for the next spot. Okay? Two and 3 there. 1, 3 this time. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 4 again. 2. Stay on the 2. 1 and 4. 1 and 1, 2, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. Then 4, 1, 2, and 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 1, 2, and 5. Now this one's important. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and 4. Now move your 1 up, 2 on the sharp, 5. Now here you can go 3 or 2. Now you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 5. Then we're closing down 1, 2, and 5, 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1, cross over to 2 or 3, whatever you want there. I would probably do 2. Keep your pinky up on D, then 1, 2, and 3 on the fingering for the chord. Now we're repeating. So now that you have the fingering down, that's how you do it. Now listen real quick to this tip. When you hit your chords, you have to jump to the next chord. Don't stick on it. Use your pedal to hold the tone. Watch. Pedal, and I'm already there. Jump immediately. Immediately. You have to fly off those and land on the chords. So practice in slow motion first. You notice how my wrist is leading to the next chord? Try that. Now, the left hand, most important part here. Keeping the beat has to stay even. It's a march. Keep that beat. It's a scale. It's a G scale. So here's middle C, bass C, go down 4 notes. Here's G. Go 1, 2, 3, cross under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 1 and 5. Then it's repeating. Now that second little half of this, starting on the third bar, we're just playing a bunch of D's. I'm not going over that part, it's too easy, okay? But you do have to keep a beat there. If you listen, you hear that beat spaced out. It's perfectly spaced out, okay? Now, last little tidbit here. Top of page, the second page of this piece. Really important stuff here. We're hitting the D. Then your fourth finger should start on the A in the second measure of the second page. Because this is a scale 2, but you need to go 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, whatever, okay. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get that fingering in there. You have to do it that way. And remember, those are tuplets, so we're playing, just think you're playing this part as long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, triplet, ba, okay? You like my singing voice? It's amazing, isn't it? Okay, so those are all the details of the piece. You have to do the fingering, keep your rhythm, slow motion first, and when you put stuff together, keep the right hand with the left. Don't slow down. Watch. There's that tempo in my left hand. It keeps walking. It doesn't stop. It doesn't do this. Don't space it out. You got to keep a beat. Okay? Most important thing. Alright, this concludes the piece. Good luck with Star Wars.